everyone. Let's go ahead and install GitHub Desktop on your PC if you would like to have it on it. If you're not familiar with the command line usage of Git, the best scenario for you right now, at least in the first couple weeks of the course, is for you to use the GUI application GitHub Desktop. This will allow you to download the repositories of template code that I'll create for each week's lab, put it on your PC. You can make the changes, and the GUI application will help you commit it and push it so that I could properly grade it. So go ahead and open up your browser, and you can search Google for GitHub Desktop. The website that contains the proper download and setup file is desktop.github.com. Go ahead and click that. You probably shouldn't download it from anywhere else, and then hit the download button for your operating system. Once the file's downloaded, go ahead and open it. And you'll see a dialog pop up that said GitHub is being installed and it will launch when it is done. Once the installation is complete, you're going to see a little welcome window where you can log in with your GitHub account. If you don't already have a GitHub account, there's instructions in the Blackboard instance for our class with a link to signing up for github.com. So I will go ahead and sign in to GitHub. I've created a student account for testing, so I'll enter that in. And if you want to enter your email address, you can. I use a test email account. It goes nowhere, so I'll just put that in here. And this will be, as you make different commits, this is the email address that will be pushed into your commits. So enter your Tri-C email address. I'm entering a fake email address for now. And if you would like to send usage statistics, you can. I'm going to uncheck that just because I don't know if it's the government watching. Just kidding. And hit finish. And you'll see a dialog that says, let's get started. We're not going to get started just yet. I'm going to do a separate video that takes it from here on how to accept the GitHub Classroom invitation that's up on Blackboard, and then how to accept your first assignment, pull it down, and I'll help you through Lab 1 a little bit. Again, Lab 1 is really just to get you acquainted with everything. It's not a really horrible assignment. Should really only take you a few minutes. Most of this week, the time is going to be spent setting up your machine and familiarizing yourself with the way we're going to do things for the rest of the semester. Talk to you soon.